How was your day? It was better than I expected. Are you busy right now? Just a little. What are you doing? I am taking a short break. Did you eat? Yes, not long ago. Why are you quiet? I'm just thinking. Are you okay? Yes, I'm fine now. What's on your mind? A lot of things. Are you free later? Maybe in the evening. Can you help me? Yes, on my way. What do you want? Just some rest. Where are you now? I'm nearby. Did you finish it? A little, not too much. Are you tired? A little, not too much. What should we do? Let's wait and see. Are you sure? Pretty sure. Can we talk later? Of course.